Hi there, I'm Spencer with Rainforest Plumbing and Air. Today, I'm going to take you through what a sewer line repair service looks like and what you can expect when you schedule one with us. A properly functioning sewer line is vital for your home's plumbing system. When it needs attention, we're here to provide a solution that ensures everything runs smoothly. First, our skilled technicians will begin by diagnosing the issue. Signs of a sewer line problem can include sewage backups, slow drains, unpleasant odors, or wet spots in your yard. We arrive equipped with specialized cameras to inspect the sewer line and identify the source of the problem. For a sewage backup or slow drain, we'll use a sewer camera to locate the blockage and assess its severity. Safety is always our top priority. Before we begin any sewer line repair, we ensure that the area is secure and any necessary safety measures are in place. Depending on the issue, we may need to excavate the area to access the damaged section of the sewer line. For damaged or collapsed sewer lines, we'll carefully remove the affected section and replace it with new, durable piping. After the repair, we'll turn on the water supply and test the sewer line to ensure it's flowing properly without any leaks. We'll also inspect the repaired area, backfill it properly, and ensure everything is secure and functional. To prevent future sewer line issues, consider regular plumbing inspections and avoid flushing items like wipes, paper towels, or grease down the drain. Thank you for choosing Rainforest Plumbing and Air for your sewer line repair needs. Your home's plumbing is our top priority, and we're here to be your guides to a 5-star service experience.